Hello, my dear sixth standard students. How are you? I am your social science sir, Arul Rajabragam. Studied the history of the first term, second term, sixth standard social science class. சென்ற வகுப்பில் சமூக அறிவியல் இரண்டாம் பருவம் வரலாறு முதல் பாடம் படித்தோம். அந்த பாடத்தின் பின்பக்க வினாக்கள் பதிலை இன்று காண்போம். First exercise. Choose the correct answer. Aryans first settled in dash region. A. Punjab, B. Middle Gangestic, C. Kashmir, D. Northeast. Answer A. Punjab. Second question. Aryans came from dash. A. China, B. North Asia, C. Central Asia, D. Europe. Answer C. Central Asia. Third question. Our national motto Satyameva Jayate is taken from dash. A. Brahmana, B. Veda, C. Aranyaka, D. Upanishads. Answer D. Upanishads. Fourth question. What was the ratio of land revenue collected during Vedic age? A. 1/3, B. 1/6, C. 1/8, D. 1/9. Answer B. 1/6. Next, match the statement with the reason and tick the appropriate answers. 1. Assertion. The Vedic age is evidenced by good number of texts and adequate amount of material evidence. Reasons. Shrutis compares the Vedas, the Brahmanas, the Aryangas, and the Upanishads. A. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Answer D. A is true, A is false, but R is true. Second question. Statement 1. Periplus mentioned the steel imported into Rome from Peninsular India was subjected to duty in the port of Alexandria. Statement 2. Evidence for iron smelting has come to light at Payambali. A statement is wrong, B statement is second is wrong, C both of the statement are correct, D both of the statement are wrong. Answer C both the statements are correct. Third question, which of the statement is not correct in the Vedic society? A. A widow glowed remarry. B. Child marriage was in practice. C. Father's property was inherited by his son. D. Sati was unknown. Answer, child marriage was in practice. Next, fourth question, which is the correct answer, correct ascending order of the right Vedic society? A. Grama, Kula, Vis, Rashtra, Jana. B. Kula, Grama, Vish, Jana, Rashtra. C. Rashtra, Jana, Grama, Kula, Vish. D. Jana, Grama, Kula, Vish, Rashtra. Answer D. Kula, Grama, Vish, Jana, Rashtra. Fill in the blanks. First, Vedic culture was dash in nature. Chalcolithic. Second question, dash was tax collected from the people in Vedic period. Answer Bali. See, third question, dash system is an ancient learning method. Answer Kurukula. Fourth question, Adichanallur is in dash district. Thuthukudi. Answer Thuthukudi. Fourth, true or false? The Roman artifacts found at various sites provide the evidence of Indo-Roman trade relation. Answer true. Second, a hero stone is memorial stone raised in remembrance of the honorable death of a hero. Answer true. Third question, the army chief was called Kramini. Answer false. D. Fourth question, the black and red or battery became the characteristic of Macatholic period. Answer true. Fifth question, evidence for iron smelting has come to light at Payyapalli. Answer true. Fifth, match the following. A. Keeledi. B. Porunthal. C. Kodumanal. D. Adichanallur. Find answer. Answer. Correct answer. A. Correct answer C. Keeledi, Ivorides, Porunthal, tip of blocks, Kodumanal, spindles, Adichanulur, gold ornaments. Answer D. Third, next papo. Fourth, name the four Vedas. Rik, Yajur, Shama, Atharvam. Fifth, what were the animals domesticated by Vedic people? Elephant, cow, goat, sheep, horse. What do you know about Makadili? Using big stone slabs built upon the place of burial known as Makadili. Fourth question. What was dolmens? Dolmens are Makadili tombs. Next point, they are made of two or more of right stone with a single stone lying across the burial site. Fifth question, what are urns? The artifacts unearthed were runes. They are pottery of various kinds: red ware, black ware, used for burying the dead. Sixth question, name the coin used for business transaction in Vedic period. Nishka, Samana, gold, Krishnala, silver. Seventh question, name some Makadalic monuments found in Tamil Nadu. Urn, dolmens, menkers, hero stones. Seventh, answer the following. Write briefly about the archaeological site of Kodumanal. First point, Kodumanal is the Erode district. Is in Erode district. Kodumanal is identified with the Kodumanal of Padittupattu. Next point, more than 300 pottery inscriptions in Tamil Brahmi have been discovered. Next point, spindles, holes, piece of clothes, tools, weapons, ornaments, and birds have been discovered. Next point, a menhir was found at the burial site. Next question, second, write about the Vedic woman in a paragraph. First point, in Rig Vedic society, the wife of respected as the mistress. Next point, she could perform rituals along with her husband. Child marriage and sati were not known. Next point, no bar on the remarriage of widows. Next, denied right to inherit property and to participate in public affairs. Last point, in the later Vedic period, performing rituals, remarriage of widows, education were denied, polygamy became common. Next, detailed question. Difference between Gurukula system of education and modern system of education. Apart from the modern system of education, the Gurukula system is an ancient learning method. Next point, the Shishyas resided with their Guru and served them and simultaneously learn and gained knowledge. The students received education through oral tradition. They had to memorize everything. 4 Vedas, Itikas, Brahmanas, grammar, logic, ethics, astrology, maths, and military science were the subject taught. Only Divijas could be student, and they were trained to learn a disciplined life. மாணவர்களே, இத்துடன் இன்றைய பாடம் முடிந்தது. நீங்கள் இந்த கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சருக்கு பதிலை படித்து உங்கள் நோட்டில் எழுதி அதை வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக ஒரு நாளைக்கு உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ எழுத முடியுமோ எழுதி வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்பி வைங்க. இத்துடன் இந்த பாடப்பகுதி முடிவடைந்தது. தட்ஸ் ஆல்.